Welcome to a new episode of Triggre Weekend Masterclass, and in this episode I am going to show you how you can use the function remove. The remove function removes a specific set of records from another specific set of records. I'm first going to show you how that works in the actual application, and after that I'm going to show you how that works in the designer. So in this case I've got a list with suppliers, and some of these suppliers have a contact person, as you can see over here. And what I'm going to do is, in one of our flow parts, I'm going to create a list with all the suppliers, and after that I'm going to remove all items with a contact person from that list. And after that I'm going to show you the list with the end result, and that end result will have a list with only suppliers without a contact person. So if I click on remove function here, I've got a list with all the suppliers. Then I create a list with suppliers with a contact person, as you can see over here. So those are these three people, or these three suppliers. And what I would like to see is only the suppliers without a contact person. And as you can see here, we have two suppliers left and both don't have a contact person. So how can you design this into your designer? Let's go to the designer. First, I'm going to show you what we just went through in the user flow. And after that, I'm going to show you the flow part that we used for that. So we go to user flows. In this case, it was the admin supplier. So as soon as I click on the button, I execute the flow part remove suppliers. And in the pages right after that, I show the different outputs that I have. So let's go to the flow part and I can show you how we've done that. Go to the flow parts and go to remove suppliers. Okay, so what do? Well, we create a lookup with all the suppliers. So we have all the suppliers without a filter, as you can see here. That's the first step. Secondly, we create a list with suppliers without a contact person. So it's the same data item. That's very important in case of the remove function. You can only apply it when it's the same data item in the end. So supplier, and in this case I added a filter which states the contact person should not be empty. So I want all the suppliers with a contact person, because that's the list that I want to remove from the first list. And in the end, I have a calculation which uses the function remove, where we say remove suppliers without a contact from all suppliers. I've put all three items in the output so I can show you the different outputs, but technically you would only use the final one, which is the list with suppliers with no contact details. Like, subscribe, done!